Bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Je m'appelle Anu Gupta et aujourd'hui je vais vous apprendre les nombres français. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Anu Gupta and today I am going to teach you French numbers. If you like my channel, please do subscribe and like. Thank you. Let's start with the French numbers. Commençons avec les nombres français. On this page you can see the numbers from 0 to 30. So let's start. First number is 0. It is pronounced 0. Then 1 is called a. 2 is the. 3 is trois. 4 is quatre. 5 is cinq. 6 is six. 7 is sept. 8 is called huit. Here H is silent, so we will call it huit, not huit. 9 is called neuf. 10 is called these. Let's revise it again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, these. Now 11 is called ons. 12 is douze. 13 is treize. 14 is quatorze. 15 is quinze. 16 is seize. You can see here that the numbers from 10 to 16, they have z sound at the end. Z. It is like the same way, the way we have teen in our English numbers. From 13 to 19 we call it 13, 14, 15, teen. The same way it is from 10 to 16 that they have z sound. 17, 18 and 19 are different. So 17 is called dix-sept. 18 is dix-huit. 19 is dix-neuf. This 17, 18 and 19, it is combination of 10 and 7. We did 10 is called these and 7 is called sept. So 17 they call it dix-sept. Same 18, these is 10 and huit is 8. So dix-huit, dix-neuf, it goes the same way. And 20 it is called vingt. 20 is called vingt. So let's revise it again from 11 to 20. So you also start speaking with me. It is onze, douze, treize, quatorze, quinze, seize, dix-sept, dix-huit, dix-neuf, vingt. I hope it is clear to you. So now let's start with number 21. 21 is called vingt-et-un. 1 is 20 and 1. It makes vingt-et-un. Te is called and. So 20 and 1 makes 21. Vingt-et-un. 22 is vingt-deux. Just see one thing, that A is not used over here. We don't call it 20 and 2. It is only used for 21. 20 and 1 makes vingt-et-un, 21. But for 22 we don't use A. For 23 also we don't use A. A is used only in 21. In all the ones it is used. I'll teach you later, like it will be there in 31, it will be there in 41, it will be there in 51, but not in other numbers. For 22, 23, 24 till 29 we are not going to use A. A means and. So we will call it like vingt-et-un, vingt-deux, vingt-trois, vingt-quatre, vingt-cinq, vingt-six, vingt-sept, vingt-huit, vingt-neuf. Is it clear? So now 30. 30 is called as trente. 30 is trente. You see number 3, it is trois. We take the TR from there and put onth at the end. It will become trente. So 30 is trente. Let's revise it again. Now from 0 to 30. Please speak along with me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. I hope all this is now clear to you. You please revise it, learn it, and now I have one exercise for you that is on the next page. And yes, learners, I forgot to tell you one thing, that in place of A means ET, we use a small hyphen in between the two numbers. Like in 22 we are using wa, the with a hyphen. We have to put a hyphen in place of A. Is it clear? Okay. Please do this exercise. Take your time, think and do. Answers are on the next page, and after that you can tell your answers. The first one is quel numero es? Means what number is this? Write down the number. And in the second question it is complete. Complete means to complete. The example is the plus 4 is equal to 6. I hope the questions are clear to you now. You can now start doing it. Bonne chance. Good luck. Here are the answers, dear learners. Now you can evaluate yourself. You can give yourself the marks out of 20 and do post your marks in the comment section. If you are getting good marks, if you have understood it well, then you can move ahead with the next part of this video. Otherwise, revise it again, the previous portion, learn it, understand it well, try this exercise again, and after learning it properly, then move ahead. Allo comience parla parti suivante della video. Let's start with the next part of the video. In this, as on the page you can see, we are going to learn the numbers from 31 to 80. So, the number 31. I told you that number 30 is called 30. So, 31 will be 31. 31. 32 is 32. 32. Here we are using a hyphen in between 30 and the. Then next is 33. 33. Like this it will keep on going. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and then 40. 40. 40 is called 40. Then the same way 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and then 50. 50 is 50. 50. Then 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 and then 60. 60 is 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 and then it is 70. I will stop here now. Now just take a look at 30, 40, 50 and 60. You see there is ont after that. Like 30 we call 30. 40 is 40. 50 is 50. 60 is 60. But for 70 it is 70. 70 means 60 and 10. Here in French the counting goes in a different way, like the names that we keep. In English it is 70, 80, 90 and then 100. But in French it is from 70 to 79. We are using 10 to 19 along with 60 to make the numbers. Like 70 is 60 plus 10 is 70. So it is 70. Then 71 is 60 and 11. It is 71. 72 is 60 and 12. 72. Like this it will go on till 79. 79 will be 60 and 19. It will be 79. So this is the French way of counting from 70 to 79. Now for 80. Now for 80 there is also a different way. 80 is called 80. 80. 4, you know it is 4 and wa is 20. So it is 4 times 20 makes 80. This is the way they call 80. 80. And here in wa, the spellings, just check the spellings. There is an S after T. It is 4 into 20s. Means 4 times 20s. 4 20s they make 80. So it will be 80 with an S. 4 20s. Now we have finished studying the numbers till 80. Now can you tell me what is number 40 called? Yes, it is 40. And what is 60 called? It is 60. And 70? Very good. 70. And what about 80? Very good. It's 80. Good. Dear learners, now look at number 71. Can you find out the mistake in it? Yes, there should be 71. Kindly correct it. It should not be with a hyphen. It should be with A. Means ET. So make it 71. Now let's move on to the next page. Here you are going to see how the counting moves from 80 to 100. It is also very different from the way we have in English. I told you 80 is 80. 80 means 80. 81 is 81. Just see S is removed from wa over here, and also ET is not used. After 80 you are not going to use ET. Then we have 80. It will move in the same way, the way it has moved in 60. It will also use 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 up till 19 to make the number from 91 to 99. It goes like this: 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and at last we have 100. 100 is called 100. Now we have finished the counting till 100. So there's a small test for you on the next page. Bonne chance. The question number 1 says, quel numéro est ce? Means what number is this? The example is there. It is 99 and you can write it 99. And in the question number 2, it says, écrivez le résultat en chiffres puis en lettres. It means write the result in numbers and then in letters. Example is there. 3 fois 6 égale 18. Means 3 times 6 is equal to 18. The same way you have to do all the questions. Bonne chance. And after that you can check your answers on the next page. Here are the answers. Do check and post your marks in the comment section. Here comes the last page of numbers. After this you can write any number in French. It is 100. 100 is 100. Then it is 100. See, A is not used. It is not 100. It is 100. T is merged with U of a. It is called listening. When the next word is, when the word begins with vowel, it is merged with the last letter of previous word. Then it is 100. The counting will move on like this. Like for 110 we have these. For 120 we have 120. Then 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. 200 is 200. Then we have 201, 202. Then the same way the counting will keep on moving like this. If you know the numbers till 100, you can write any number now in French. See, for 300 we have 300. For For 400 we have 400, then 500 is 500, 600 is 600, 700 is 700, 800 is 800, 900 is 900, and for 1000 we have meal, and 1001 is meal. You can write any number now, just try it. Even 9999 is written like naf meal, naf saw, katrwa, these naf. 1000 is meal, so 10,000 is the meal. Same way, you can easily write 99,999. It is katrwa these naf meal, naf saw, katrwa these naf. Then for 100,000, you mean 1 lakh, we can write 100 meal. We write it 100 meal. Then we have a million. 1 million is called a million. Then 1 billion is called a milliard. Now dear learners, we have finished the entire counting in French. You practice it in parts. First till 30, then till 100, and then go for the last page. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Au revoir. A bientôt.